Yo, it happened. My Blink got approved. I have a verified Blink. And today we're gonna talk about that. Well, first we're gonna have a look at what that means, what I can do now, or what we can do now. We're gonna discuss the process of verifying your Blink or getting it into the registry of Dialect. And then we're gonna discuss security in relation to Blinks. Because there are some considerations that you should make before, interacting with Blinks or any application on blockchain or the internet, really. But especially when it comes to DLTs and, technologies that hold your money. Yeah, let's look at, I had a Dialect shirt. I don't know where it went. I can't find it. Let's see. Right. So all I did was fill out this form, and we did that in the previous video. When was that? 3 days ago. And I got the message yesterday on Telegram. Selena from Dialect told me, just letting you know that your Blink has been added to the registry. That was yesterday. So it took them 2 days to add my Blink to the registry, which means I should now be able to use Blinks officially on X.com. Not that that's a sponsor or anything, but it's the only platform that is supporting it. I saw Dialect tweet in the morning. Okay, I need more Blinks, like very soon. Can't take this anymore. Yeah, they really promote Blinks hard right now. Here, have a Blink. And basically, since that thing, solandy.def, should have an action JSON, I should just be able to put that link here and it should become a Blink. Let's see. Without anything, doesn't seem to work. Let me check if I have it enabled. No, I don't have them enabled. Okay, let's enable them with Phantom and refresh the page. And nothing happens. Damn. Maybe it's not added to the registry properly. The newest version of Direct Blinks has been disabled because it requires more permissions. Read and change data on your Pro, X, Twitter.com and com. Yeah, re-enable, why not? Let's solve there. Maybe I'm not posting it right, but this thing should have an actions JSON, right? This is being served. Yeah. Oh, so maybe that pattern is still wrong because we never really tested that. Which brings me to this whole thing. I mean, because it doesn't seem to be too difficult to get your Blink into that registry. They don't seem to check if it's working. How do I know that? Well, because my Blink is not working. And not just that is not working, but also this stuff is not working because I'm pretty sure that I developed on DevNet and I never changed it to mainnet, so they did not test that. This is not working. Oh, wait, yeah, that's how I can check if it's... It doesn't say that it doesn't give me that yellow warning anymore, so it seems that something has changed. /registry. Oh, great. That's not work. There's a comma here. Oh, wow. That's the registry. Let's see. solandy.def. Here, I'm here. Host solandy.def. State trusted. They trust me. Well, that's a mistake. Shouldn't trust anyone, especially not me or whoever owns solandy.def, which is totally maybe me. But anyway, this is the registry. So we are in the registry. We figured that out. It's not too difficult to get into that registry. All it took was for me to actually buy a domain so I can do that. Also, I'm pretty sure that my name helped because I do have a reputation and it seems like I have a good reputation. So they added me to the registry and say I am freaking trusted, even without checking what my Blink does. Because the thing is, first of all, that could be a drainer. And secondly, I could change it to be a drainer. And thirdly, do all sorts of weird things. But I'm already getting way ahead of myself. This is what I want to discuss in the last part where I talk about security. For now, I want to figure out why the hell is it not working? How do I need to post the link for it to become a Blink? Maybe I need the www. But it is www. Probably my actions JSON is screwed. So Welcome back to a Solana tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to fix this freaking actions JSON, how to properly format your actions JSON such that blinks actually work on your site. Oh, here is a use devnet. That hasn't been here last time, has it? Or did I just not see that? I'm not sure. But that's how you use devnet. Another very helpful thing. Anyway, what? Blinks.xyz again. Please enter a URL. This is a URL. Do you need that part as well or what? Yeah. Uh-oh, that's a lot of errors. Error. Ah, there we go. We need HTTPS. Is that, wait, HTTPS. Yeah, with a S. Secure connection. Still not. Damn it. Maybe I put the wrong. Damn it. Wait. I put the wrong in the registry. No, in the registry it's just www.solandy.dev. Oh, this is more difficult than I thought. Pretty sure it's about my actions JSON. Well, I guess we gotta go back to development. Cause here, I mean, it even says error. And I was like, well, what does that mean? And I stayed with it. So, haha, good that we make another video about blinks. There are some failing checks for this URL. Okay, you don't like the response. Cool. Let's read up again on how this thing should be formatted. So, a pattern that matches each incoming path name. A local destination defined as an absolute path name or external URL. Oh, is that, wait, slash something. If I were to say slash something. Nah. Need the www, which it seems to ignore. Without the www, that is true, sadly, but I do put the www in the, so we see that developing blinks is like, it should translate to www, solandy.dev as well. So still, why do we get that error according to this thing? But maybe it's just, okay, the wildcards, which we're not even really using. Exact path, which is exactly what I have, right? API action. So www.solandy.dev, and I copy this up here. I should get that, which also looks good. What else could I be missing? The fact that Twitter shortens that link shouldn't be the problem because it does that with all the links, right? So I thought I could just, play around with a working blink now, but no. It's not that easy. Okay, can devs do something? Maybe remove that wildcard. Maybe that will change something. So now we have a path without a wildcard that translates to an exact path without a wildcard. That must be like, that's the simplest that you can possibly do. And we'll see if that works. If I query that again, the wildcard should be gone. Wildcard is gone. Does that change anything? Nope, still not resolving to anything. Not that easy, is it? Why does it look so different for you? What even is Open Graph metadata? Oh, wow, wait. But there was an error before that we now don't have anymore. Now it's valid. Now it's just the Open Graph metadata that is failing on us. And nobody's telling me about that. Nowhere does it say anything about Open Graph. I feel like a front-end developer again, and I hate developing front-end. Don't like it. Do not like. Okay, but anyway, Open Graph. Stuff like that. Yeah, where do I put it? Is that important that I have that? Maybe that's just important for the unfurling. Okay, so on this page, probably, here directly, I need those in the head. Should add more meta stuff, I guess. Which, fine, I shall do. Yeah, but where do I put this? I don't like frontend. I don't like full stack. Can I just be a Solana developer and not work with Next? No, I cannot. Not if I want to work with blinks. How? Where? Apparently I just export const. But where? Does not make sense to me. Automatically update the relevant head elements with the correct metadata. Open Graph image and Twitter image file conventions. I just have an Open Graph image and alt have no idea, and I don't think that fixes anything. But again, I'm not a front-end dev. I actually have no idea what I'm doing at this point. I'm like, there's no docs on that. I have no freaking idea. Please help. Can I check out a valid blink? They have the same thing. I don't think it breaks my thing. Software now supports blinks natively, apparently, finally. I mean, great that you do that, but still, that doesn't fix my issue of it's not becoming a blink. Why not? I mean, it's very green, except for that part. I mean, we got a step further with it now accepts this path as a valid actions JSON, which it didn't before. It works in demo, but that's not super satisfying, is it? We want it to work here. Like this. That's a working blink. Collect for free. Here I have enough Sol. Oh, because it's so freaking expensive. What kind of an NFT is that? Whatever. Here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get drained. By clicking random freaking links and signing without really checking. This is not how you should do it. But I trust this guy. Yes, of course, you also trust me. But don't click links. Even if I post them. Damn it. We'll get there. But first we need to fix my own freaking blink. Blinks, blinks, blinks. It's all about my timeline. It's all about blinks. But not my own one. What could that mean? That thing was the right path, I think. We just need those OG metadata things to any route segment. Add that to any route segment. Hold on. So we will add it to the actions JSON. We will add it to... I have no idea what I'm doing. Best commit messages. We're gonna figure that out. So the root page needs to have those things. Okay, fine. So like I did here in the actions JSON, open graph image, the actions JSON should have in the head. It doesn't though. Not really. Okay, it's gonna get really sad now, but we're gonna ask ChatGPT. Okay. It has come to this. So I have a Next.js application. How do I do that? Yes, I got that. Yeah, I can just put those meta, but then I need to find where my head is. I don't know where my head is. Also in real life, sometimes. Okay, that can't be too difficult. I just need to find where my head is. What's the root page? That's already the div, that's already the body. That's already, I mean, that's where it says GM. I'm just gonna put it here with a head. Totally a working blink site with metadata as well. I could test locally. How about that? So do we now have those heads? Headers? Head? Nope, not really. Oh, yes! Down here. Title, blinks. Description. Wait, but I had them before as well. Hold on. They were just down here. Here, solandy def. Yeah, I had them before. Title, description, image. I already had them. What? Now it's valid? So it was missing the image, not even the thing that I did with that's not even needed, even though I could also do that, but that's not even needed. I mean, I had that already. But apparently with that image, so many tabs, I don't know where it is. Here, with that image, that it somehow manages to squeeze in here now. Look, it has an image. So now it's happy, or at least this validation thing here is happy. Does that mean? Oh, you gotta find that out, man. Does that mean that now if we go to X, it still doesn't look like it's gonna show my blink though? Although all the checks, www.solandy.def, it's all green. All green. HTTPS, www.solandy.def. Does this become a blink? No blink. Still not working. Ah, damn it. Okay. And we are stuck again. And I don't know why it's not working and I can't really do much about it. Conclusion. Blinks are frustrating and I don't want to continue here because I can't. I don't know. It's all green now. It's green. It should work, but it doesn't. So we gotta ask someone who knows stuff. And also, we gotta stop before we get mad about blinks and never want to build anything with blinks anymore. So I'm just gonna call it a day and come back to you once I found out how I made that blink work. Maybe I just need to be patient. Maybe it still has old data or whatever. We'll get there eventually. Let's just make the point of it's not so easy. Don't worry if you struggle. Others do too. Even this guy, especially this guy. See you in the next video. I'm not even asking you to like this one because that's just a useless rant of me complaining that blinks don't work out of the box even if I got approved. I'm gonna try 2 more things. For one, we're bringing wildcards back. Yeah. And then maybe action slash, maybe that helps. Bringing wildcards back. Yeah. I don't think the slash, I need that here. But it's what he suggested. Now it's not valid anymore. And the thing ultimately that I think should work is this. Still. With double, it's all valid now. So the double, maybe that works. What about slash account? Because then I have slash something. Maybe that translates. I mean, it is a link. Doesn't look like a blink though. Still not. Nope. No more slashing. Commit messages should be fun, not productive. That's the last try. That's the last try now, then I give up. No more slashing though. Okay. Still all valid. Hard refresh. Look at this! We finally have a blink! Woohoo! That just took freaking 2 hours. Nice. Damn. But that took me 2 hours. And I wanted to go dance tonight. Man, difficult decisions. So now we can finally start the video. Wait, hold on. That's for slash action. Do the regular links? No, this one still doesn't work. So I need to link to something slash something, like slash something here, except the something is a broken link, so that will also not work, only if the slash something actually points to a valid site will it unfurl. Wow, this is complicated, but okay, yeah, that's how it is. I mean, you gotta know that. This is, I mean, okay, it has to be slash something for it to work. I mean, the other thing would be just slash should also go to that action. Shouldn't that then also, but that already didn't work in the first place. Like that just also didn't work, yeah. Could I have like a full path, like full on this thing? Maybe without the slash? So I don't know how I can make the full path, like the root, work as a blink, but at least here, wait, I turn it off for a second. If I click anywhere except for the image, it should get me to that page. No, if I click on the image, it should get me to the page. If I go to slash account, that will work now, because my path is anything after the slash will map to that action. Yep, that will still not work. It will still not work. I don't know why. You need to make sure your website doesn't redirect to www. We had the same issue. And yeah, there's still an issue with the www. I'm not gonna bother with this. Point is, we have a working blink. Mostly working, let's say. Like mostly doing the thing that I want. I still don't have it on the root, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna take a break. But we will continue here. Probably later today or in a week or whenever I have the time again to do stuff. I do prioritize my social life over. It just took too long to figure this out. I thought I would make a short little video. Nothing works short and little with frickin' blinks or Solana development in general. So I'll see you later when we're gonna actually test out those things, which are, guess what? Not working. Because that's the thing. They approved my blink without it working. But that's a whole different story that I'm gonna rant about later. Basically, there's just a few more points that I want to make, right? First of all, they didn't test. They didn't test my Blink at all because it wasn't working. It was set to DevNet. So it seems to be pretty easy to get my Blink into their repository. Now that's, on the one hand, a good thing. It could also have just been because of my name, because Solandy, the, reputation and whatnot, so it might be more difficult for you. I don't know. I think important was to get that domain, the solandy.dev, such that it's not Versal, even though it's Versal, just with a nicer domain. And secondly, because it's so easy to get your Blink into that registry, raises the point that Blinks are not inherently safe just because we have that registry. Because I'm now still free to do whatever the hell I want here with those. I can just quickly make that thing a drainer and boom, it's a drainer, right? It's like, you still need to be careful. That's already like my main point. And I could show you now. I mean, my plan was to, actually make it a drainer and then show that it's a drainer and then have you be more careful with clicking links from Blinks or links in general. But you just gotta trust me. You just gotta trust me that you shouldn't trust me, if you know what I'm saying, right? Don't trust Blinks is my point. They can't just mess with you. Maybe it's slightly better than any random website, but only very slightly, because any dev like me can build a Blink and make it a freaking drainer. So be careful with what you sign. Always double check that what you're signing is actually what you want to sign. Here I'm actually not signing anything, lol, because I don't have any empty token accounts. So yeah, this thing will just do nothing. Hey, at least that's working. Anyway, yeah, good enough. Good enough for me. This has already been too much of a torture. Check out other videos, especially the ones I made about Blinks. We did learn some stuff about that actions JSON and what that needs to look like. With a /star, like with a wildcard, mapping to an action, that works. Just the slash didn't work for me. And I don't know why. And also those things don't work for me. And also don't know why. Really, I don't know how Blinks work. But you just gotta trial and error until it's working. But the cool thing is people are trying to help. But yeah, we're not gonna fix this today. We're not gonna continue this video today. I think it's good. I think I'm done here. I'm gonna head out, enjoy my life in the real world, not behind the Blinks. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.